To mark having reached 8,000 subscribers, over 3.12 million views, I wanted to run something by you. See what you think. Bear with me. I've got a bunch of cool stuff in the pipeline, but I wanted to throw some ideas your way, get your input. Now there's a bunch of ideas that I won't share because it's hard enough getting original content as it is. There's some cool channels out there that always seem to beat me to the post. Okay, I exaggerate, but there's some great content out there that I wish I'd done already. I've got some thoughts about, for example, battery options for the Fuji system, but in 2018. Now there's a whole bunch of third-party stuff that we all enjoy using. If you're a faithful subscriber, you know the stuff that I'm using and that I've used in the past. I've done a video on which Fuji X series battery, but it's a little bit old now, and like I said, new stuff's come out, so might be worth having a fresh look. I had another idea, and again to do with the Fuji X gear, because frankly, you know, seems we want to hear about it. And I don't normally do a video on something that I haven't had my hands on. I get a lot of questions about what I think about lenses that are proposed to come out or that are on the roadmap. So I thought, you know what, we could have a conversation about it. What do you reckon? There are a lot of videos out there already probably talking about the roadmap stuff, the 200f2, more so the 8-16 2.8. I mean, there was even a fake bunch of photos floating around, but you know, that Fuji rumors kind of stuff, and you know, could be interesting. Other than that, I was thinking of doing stuff about techniques, about wedding photography, portrait photography, stuff like that, stuff in general, probably slower burners. And then over and above all that, I had different ideas, which is probably better for a different channel. Learning and even teaching foreign languages. I even had some idea about getting into working out, but on a budget. Things seem to have changed a lot since I used to work out a lot, and now I've started back up, although give or take the traveling kind of got messed up a bit. But you know, I've noticed, as you can imagine, after a good number of years, things have changed, the market's changed, prices have changed. I mean, have you seen the price of egg custards lately in the UK? Completely nothing to do with training, but I'm sure the price of eggs have gone up, and that's helped me actually stay away from the egg custards. Anyway, the idea is producing more content that you guys might be interested in. I mean, I've had stuff like people asking to have a little tour of my vinyl collection. Not sure yet about that. I've even toyed with the idea of doing something in Spanish. I might even start with one about why I use a Fujifilm system. In some Spanish speaking countries it's not quite as big, so we might be able to just encourage people to look at it there. Can I do it in Spanish? Bueno, yo creo que sí. ¿No? Bueno, ya veremos. How I use the camera for certain fields of photography, weddings, documents, etc. I remember doing a video about what's in my bag, and somebody moaned that I didn't talk about all the really small little bits like the tissues and the creams and pens and stuff like that. I mean, I don't know. Do we need an update on that? I don't know. I don't think so. I know it's in the rules, but I think I've already done it, so I think I'm okay with that one. Plus, when we review a bag, tend to show it in use, so yeah. More bags would be cool. You get the idea. To celebrate getting past 8,000 subscribers, I want to throw it open to you guys. I want to encourage your input on what you want to see. Some of you have been there since I started making videos properly, not the stupid stuff that's just like, you know, random junk at the start of the channel. Not sure how far past 8,000 we'll get, but you know, pretty amazing that it's gone so well in such a relatively short period of time. I mean, I know there are way bigger channels, but you know, I'm just one person, one man band, shooting everything myself. It's just little old me. I really appreciate your support and your input. Thank you so much, and yeah, look forward to hearing from you. Leave a comment below, share this on your social media, and you know, as for that competition before, there's definitely going to be better ones.